Hello, this is Mimi from Mimi Mama Me. Today we're going to show you how to make a custom photo cell case. So we'll show it both from the side of somebody who just wants to make a personal one and for somebody who's a seller on Zazzle and wants to sell them. So just sign into your Zazzle account. Make an account if you need to. And then on the left-hand side, go to the menu and click on it. And then go down to create your own. And then click on phone cases. This will bring you to a page of all different phones. So scroll through and pick the phone you want to pick. We'll just go with the first one here. I guess that'll bring you to another page. So just click on whatever phone you want. Okay, now so go on the right side, click on Add Image. And then click on Upload Images. And that'll take you to your computer files and just upload a picture of your kids or your spouse or pets, whatever you want to add. Now on the right hand side, click Fill so that the picture fills in the whole cell phone. And you can enlarge it. You can use the buttons on the side, the minus and plus, to make it larger or smaller and center it. And then click on Done. And this is what your cell phone case will look like. That's simple. And that's all you have to do if you're just making this for yourself. You just add it to your cart and buy it. But if you're making this for your Zazzle shop and you want to sell them and you want to make this picture a template, then click on Edit Design. Okay, now click on the picture, and then on the right hand side, go down to make this a template object. Now click on that, and then go right down below on product page label, put change image 1 so that the customer knows what to do. This will make the picture, will make it so the customer can upload their own picture easily. Okay, now click Done. And now when the customer clicks on Personalize, they can just change the picture right from the front of your store or like from the product page. Just makes it easier. You can click on the left-hand side to see all the different views of your product. And on the right, you can see where you can change phones and, see what it looks like on different phones and everything. Okay, so click on Sell It. And then it'll take you to the product page so you can write in the title of your project and the description and all of that. Remember to use lots of keywords. So just fill in a description of your product you're making. Event and occasion, I'm just going to leave. I'm going to go to the store, and I'm going to add this to my Where's the Karma store. And I'll put it in the category of phone cases. And then you go to tags and you fill in your tags. So think of words people would use or phrases to search for an item that would bring your product up. You can add up to 10 tags. It's rated G, and then just click I have the right to sell this, and then post it. Now your product will show up in your store. Just click on Go There Now. You can view it. And don't forget to share your products if you're trying to sell them on Twitter and Pinterest and Facebook and all the social networking sites and your blog and all that stuff. You can get embed links from Zazzle to add it to your blog. Just click on the share button and it'll give you a bunch of choices. Okay, now if you click on your store, you'll see it listed in your products. Don't forget you can look at the stats there too. You can look at the stats to see how many views your product's getting and when it was last viewed or last sold or how many is sold. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to our channel if you like the Zazzle tutorials and stop by our websites too. Have a great day. Thank you.